IAC stands for International Architectural Collaboration, and our name says it all. We want to boost the collaboration between American architecture offices with highly qualified international architects, improving operational margins while maintaining a high-quality standard. At IAC Studio, we don't just do architectural drafting, we craft solutions. With over a decade of experience, we have successfully delivered 9 large-scale developments and 25 residential projects on time. We bring together a team of detail-oriented specialists to help architectural firm owners and designers in America to become more profitable and grow. Our team of specialists is dedicated to exceeding expectations. We specialize in high-end residential and large-scale developments, and by using Revit, Archicad, and AutoCAD, we ensure that your vision becomes a reality. We have a detail-oriented culture here at IAC, and we developed a very schedule-driven team. Our quick and efficient response to inquiries has proven effective to deliver projects on time and with the highest of standards.
Collaboration drives progress. At IAC Studio, we connect global expertise with local excellence, bridging borders to deliver high-quality architectural drafting services. Our partnerships with well-established architectural firms in New York City reflect our standards of quality and delivery capabilities.
When your project needs exceed your in-house capabilities, we're here to help. IAC Studio provides the support you need to meet deadlines, maintain quality, and achieve success so you can focus on what you do best, designing the future. At IAC Studio, we are more than architects. We are partners you can trust for your American architecture company. Let's work together to shape a better built world.
Get in contact to partner with IAC Studio today.